Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to find clients, but for whatever reason can't seem to find enough clients, or find clients consistently? Don't worry, I got my top 3 ways to find clients for a life coach and healer coming up for you in this video.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend, I'm Super Sid,
the Marketing Shaman.
and I help life coaches and healers find their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And today I want to go over with you specifically how you can find your next clients, and they're my top 3 ways. So my first way is really going to go over with you how you can really identify who it is that you need to go. So we're going to go over that a little bit more in detail, but really on that third one, I'm going to show you how you can really get going and start finding clients consistently, really without even having to try that hard. So make sure to stay tuned till the end. All right, first things first, we need to identify who it is that needs our help or needs our help with their healing, right? We need to go out there and identify who are those people. But a lot of people make mistakes, especially life coaches and healers will make a mistake in who they are looking for. And the reason they'll make the mistake is because a lot of life coaches and healers, just like a lot of, businesses out there, are taught to make what we classify as our perfect client avatar. But that's really all they're told. They're told they need to go out there and make this perfect client avatar, but they are not told exactly how to build this out. And a couple things that we really need to make sure that we're paying attention to when we're building out and identifying our clients is ultimately what is their surface desires. What is it that they are currently see in their head that they want? Right? Answer a question for this is a great question to answer when you're thinking about the prospects, right, that are needing your help. They're asking this question in your head. If I could just. That's the question. If I could just. Now answer that question for your prospects and what it is that they're in right now. Identify yourself in current situations that they're in, and that's gonna make it a lot easier for you to really hone in on the type of client that you're looking for. It's gonna make it a lot easier when you get to the messaging and the headlines, and a lot easier when you start promoting yourself and promoting who it is that you help. Before I go into the next part around how you start marketing yourself and marketing your message and marketing to people, right, that you could help, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day helping life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K for their business. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so the second thing we want to go over is what we classify as distribution. Now, distribution is a way that we want to distribute, right, our message, who it is that we help, right? That's why figuring out who it is that we help is so important, because we need to create the proper message for them. And really what you're seeing in distribution is you're seeing really going to be talking a lot about, our message, right, our positioning, and really circling around how are we going to go out there and get people around us that want to hear how we can help them, right? So ultimately what we want to do in distribution is we want to identify where's those who's at, right? Where's that person at that we really, that we just built out. And when we do that, what we're doing is we want to find out where are they hanging out? Right? If it's social media, what social medias are they hanging out? What are they reading? What are they watching? Right? What's hooking them in? What's engaging them? What are they talking about? Figuring out stuff like that, right? But then going out and distributing the messages, right? And distributing the ways that you can help them by, and distributing, right, what it is that you can do to help them, and figuring out where there are, it's going to have you jumping right in the marketplace. It's going to have you starting to put those messages out there of showing people how you can heal them. Right, and how you can heal them, and ultimately it's going to get you where you need to be. So a couple things we really want to make sure when we're doing distribution, any distribution channel, right? There's a lot of them. We got Facebook, Instagram, what you're watching right now on YouTube. But which one do you choose? You need to go and you need to research where those clients are at, right? Where are they exiting and where are they wanting to enter? And what information are they currently looking for right now, right? What are they looking for? What types of information? What headlines are they clicking on? Right? What titles are they reading? That type of stuff, we really want to make sure that we are paying attention to in this part, because when we do this, it's going to help us through the distribution, because we just don't want to spray and pray. A lot of people just, I'm going to get out content and I'm going to start posting it all over social media. Well, let me kind of bring up something for you that might hurt a little bit. Posting on social media is not marketing. It's a type of distribution of marketing. And anytime that someone goes out and they post on social media, and they're like, hey, I did my marketing for the day, I die inside, because it's not marketing, right? It's not marketing. Marketing is showing up to the marketplace and distributing information, right, at a specific time and place based on the behavior of your customers. So of your prospects. So what we need to do is we need to make sure we're doing that. When we're doing that, it's gonna help us find clients so easily and like crazy. Before I go over how you can start attracting hundreds of people to you like crazy who need your help or possibly need your help healing, right? I want to ask you, what distribution are you currently putting your messages out right now? Is it social media? What types of social media channels? Where are you putting that information? Where are you putting that message so that your prospects can see how you can help them? Put them down there in the comments. All right, so this gets us to the last piece of this pie, which I classify as demonstration, but really more so, right, as presentations. And what this is you being able to basically show your skill, show your superpower, present your superpower at mass. And we do that through demonstrating our superpower, demonstrating how we can help, demonstrating how we can help heal people at mass in front of a lot of people, right? We don't just want to go out there and search for one person at a time. That takes forever. And then before we know it, we're sending out messages, we're cold messaging people, and we're spamming people all over the internet, just trying to begging them to get them to listen to us, just to give us one little chance to show us their superpower instead of putting and demonstrating ourselves out there as many times as we can so that we can attract, right, people to us that want to see how it is that we can currently help them. And that's very, very important because, again, right, if we don't go out there and we demonstrate our superpower, right, how in the world are we going to attract people who need our help? How are we going to show people how we can help them? So again, let's make sure that we're demonstrating. We do that through presenting. We do that through putting together things like workshops, summits, master classes, but presenting what it is that we specifically do so that we can present our superpowers at mass. When you're doing that and doing that consistently, you attract people who need your help to you like crazy. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 100K online so that you can go out there and be a life coach and healer full-time and help heal the world full-time? Well, then I'm about to throw on a workshop showing you exactly how you can do just that so that you can make your first or next 100K in the next year. And you can right now sign up for this workshop by heading to www.100kjourney.com/register or simply just click that link down in the comments. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link in the description and coming and hanging out with us in our free workshop real soon. We'll see you next time.